Hello, this is Brian Casey of Casey Insights, and we are here in San Francisco at JP Morgan 2023. Right now, we're here with Subtle Medical, and we're here with Enhao Gong. He is founder and CEO, and Ajit Shankar, he is Chief Product Officer. Gentlemen, thanks for being with us today.
Nice to meet you, Brian.
Thanks.
Yeah. So we're here at Biotech Showcase and JP Morgan. There's a meeting that brings together a lot of early stage companies, startup companies. You guys aren't exactly a startup, but you are developing some really interesting technology. Can you talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, we still think we are kind of young, small, like startup fashion, try to grow lean. And Subtle Medical is founded around end of 2017. So that's the time I actually finished my PhD at Stanford side. We developed a lot of technology using AI to improve medical imaging. Not too much on using AI to replace radiologists, because we realize radiologists are not all the bottleneck of the cost efficiency. We look into workflow, actually the service quality efficiency is a bigger pinpoint for the provider and the patient for sure. So we think when we develop a lot of technology, we think about how we can really make clinical impact. Have this technology, this is a PhD research, put into clinical usage. And usually what Stanford researchers do is to license to GE, Philips, Siemens, and the hardware company, they usually have 5 to 10 year product cycle. So it's durable, but sometimes we find it won't catch up with AI that's change every day. So we think it's maybe a better idea to found a company that have a software-centric, SaaS-centric, AI-centric solutions, so we can deliver the state-of-the-art technology rapidly to the broader customers.
Great. And what is your lead product?
So our lead product is Subtle MR, Subtle PET right now. So FDA clear, CE mark, and get regulatory clearance in different regions as well. In short, they can make imaging workflow faster and improve the image quality, etc. I will let Ajit to introduce more about our expanding product line.
Yeah, and based on what we are doing right now, we are also expanding to other modalities. With the core vision being improving efficiency and productivity in those modalities. We are also actually working on products which actually can affect the downstream and upstream of this radiology workflow chain.
So the two lead products right now, Subtle MR and Subtle PET.
Yes.
And you're working on other modalities as well.
Yes.
Great. Now, what's unique about the Subtle MR and Subtle PET in your algorithms?
It's a software-only solution and vendor agnostic, so it actually kind of fits right into these institutions which have multiple different types of scanners, and it immediately provides those efficiency gains, basically, which they are actually looking for because of the capacity issues at these institutions. So it's a very easy to deploy and very easy to install a kind of a software, but provides that efficiency gains immediately. It's very, and that's what we have seen from the field.
Now, does it actually analyze images and highlight suspicious areas? How exactly does it work?
No, we don't do that. We are actually working on enhancing the image quality. We are not doing any kind of diagnostic component to that.
Great. So it's kind of like an image processing.
It is image processing.
Got it.
But using the AI, it's a deep learning. It actually learns from all the different kinds of images.
And that's been a big growth area for AI lately, has been applying AI to images, maybe to lower quality images acquired at a lower radiation dose, maybe a lower field MRI, and making them look like maybe a 3 Tesla PET. Is that kind of what you guys are doing?
Exactly. I think that's exactly the concept. Subtle MR has actually grown, matured over the last 2 years, and it actually does all that, what you said. It actually can help with the lower quality, low field scanners, lower quality images, which can come up with, when you actually speed up the scans. So there are multiple different use cases.
Yeah, I think compared with conventional algorithm, like image processing algorithm, the advantage of AI algorithm is by training on live data set, it can be so generalizable. As I mentioned, we can apply on low field scanner, make it better, but in general, different scanners all compatible, make it faster and better.
Yeah. Excellent. Now, what are you guys, who are you talking to here at JP Morgan?
So we have talked to a few partners, like pharmaceutical companies as well, and also talked to some customer friends and the investor as well.
So with the pharma companies, is this something that can be used as part of a research trial?
Yeah, we have been exploring because we do believe in improving quality efficiency will be also available for clinical trial. And we also have product in imaging, like pharmaceutical, like control agent space that we have been working on.
Excellent. Anything else in your near-term future?
No, I think we have been very busy, expanding, getting the market traction for these new products which are already in the market, and we will be coming out with some exciting products by the end of this year. Basically, we are actually focusing on that.
Very good. Something to look forward to.
Yeah,
Thank you.
absolutely.
Right, gentlemen, thanks for being with us today.
Thanks.
you.
Signing off from San Francisco, my name is Brian Casey.